In today's video, we are going to show you how to refund money from Pocket FM. Before we begin, it's important to know that Pocket FM's current terms of service states that payments, subscriptions, and purchase coins are generally non-refundable except where a refund is required by applicable law. So canceling a subscription does not automatically mean you'll receive your money back. But the first thing that we need to do is determine where your Pocket FM payment was processed. For example, if you purchase a subscription directly in the Pocket FM platform itself, your best option is to contact the Pocket FM customer support. On the top corner, if you log into your account, go to category, which is going to be payments and earnings, series your name, and then describe the issue. Okay? What will happen is Pocket FM support team will review your concern. If after the review, they will immediately know you and notify you about their investigation and of course their response. Okay? Now another option that you can do is, let's say you purchase a subscription or coins directly through the Pocket FM app using your Google Play or your Apple App Store account. This is important because the refund process may depend on the platform. So in this case, you need to go to your subscription. Now, depending on the available options, you can either look for the button to report a problem or request assistance with the purchase. But be sure you're signed in with the same Google account that was used to make the payment. Keep in mind that a refund request does not guarantee that a refund will be approved. The final outcome can depend on how you made the purchase, the reason for the request, and the payment platform's policy, and any applicable consumer protection laws. Basically, that's it for today's video on how you can request a refund from Pocket FM. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.